Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing variables. Save your work and close heavy apps so the system can respond. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC and watch CPU, memory, and disk columns. This shows why the cursor spins. If a single process uses over 80% CPU or disk, select it and click End Task to free resources. Once done, make sure to keep Task Manager open to observe changes and to confirm the spinner stops before moving to deeper fixes. Next, you tackle likely system causes, driver or file corruption. Open Device Manager and update the display and mouse drivers. Outdated drivers often block input responsiveness. Then run an admin command prompt and execute sfc/scanno to repair corrupted system files. This can resolve background hangs that cause the loading circle. After that, go to Windows Update and install pending patches. Reboot when prompted. These steps fix underlying software issues that keep the cursor in a constant loading state. Finish by isolating startup interference. Perform a clean boot to disable non-Microsoft services and restart. If the spinner disappears, re-enable items in batches to find the culprit. Make a restore point before major driver installs so you can revert quickly. If the loading circle persists despite these steps, run system restore to a known good date or uninstall and reinstall suspect drivers from Device Manager. Key troubleshooting tip. If the cursor stays stuck after all fixes, try a different mouse to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.